Here's a little help getting started with question number 2. In this question, we're told that the term 4 is 64 and term 7 is 8. So that means the numbers are getting smaller. This is also in the geometric sequences section. So we know that it's a geometric sequence. We know that also because we're told to find the R value and not the D value. So what do we do? Well, the way I like to do this question is, because we're not given that first term, basically what I like to do is to pretend that I have the first term. So if this was the first term, then 8 would now be and there's a couple ways you can do this. Because they're so close together, you can just go T1, T2, T3, T4, and say that 64 is T1 and 8 is T4. And then use the formula to find out your R value. Once you know your R value, then you can go backwards and find your T1, the original T1. The other way to do this is, if 64 is originally T4, then you're subtracting 3 spots to get to T1. So T7 subtracted by 3 would give you T4. And that's another way to do this method. So our formula was Tn equals T1 times your R value to the n minus 1. So we know that this is now 64 and this is 8 using our red numbers, and we don't know the R value, and we know that our n value is 4 because we have 4 terms, so it would be 4 subtract 1, which is 3. So now that we have it set up like this, we can divide both sides by 64 and take the cubed root of both sides and find out what the value of R is. Once you know R, you can find out what T1 is. So give that a try.